Ano guys, pasok tayo sa appliances and furniture dito sa lugar ng badcock. Ayan. We have a glass kids corner. Ayan o. Oh. Okay.
How you doing?
Oh.
How you doing today? All right. What can we do for you?
I like this too. Nice.
Okay, good. I'll wait back for that.
Okay. There we go. Look around. Look around. Okay, you see this nice puppy. We go check. You see the bed, honey. You see the bed? You don't have bed no more now. Wow, this tree. Ganda naman ito. Tinan na lang siya. Ito na naman po kami sa furniture and appliances. Sabay-sabay ang aming problema. Because sira ang aming washing machine na walang zero. $849. $999. Oh, too much big.
Washer.
Here, baby, this one. $849. Kamal naman. God. $849 over there, no? Ay, Diyos ko. Ayan, dito naman kami ngayon sa appliances. Ayan, show you Samsung 899. Oh my God, that's too big. 899.
Right here, honey.
My tag. How much?
$5.99.
Here is hot point.
Honey, $5.99.
649. Ano naman pangalan? Ano name brand?
Amana.
What the bucket?
It is the bucket.
I like this one. 1,000.
That is. It's the same
How
one.
about this?
It's the same one we got.
Ayo, see? How much? That's the one we got. The same. See? We lack.
Honey, that's all the new ones. That's the way they are.
Yeah, but I don't like no close it. Lock.
Huh?
The lock.
It's got a lock, honey.
Oh, no lock. This
lock.
This is dryer.
Yep.
No, I don't want a lock. If something happened there again, lock. Cheaper, but
This is the same one we got.
yeah, the same in the house. No. How about this?
Honey, that lasted 7 years.
Honey, hot point there. Hot point. Maybe different one brand. That
Yeah,
$649.
the same price.
$649.
It's the
Six
same
point-
thing, honey.
But this is not lock. This lock said.
Yes, it does lock.
Honey, this hero, we need to lid lock. Lid lock too. My goodness, I don't like that. This is like in the school.
Well, this one has a start and a pause.
That's school. No good.
Lid lock. See, it has a lid
That's
lock.
in the school too. I don't want it that. The school stop. Oh, here too?
Honey, all the washers are like this now.
No, this is no lock. Please.
Huh?
Oh. $649.
This is a dryer, honey. That's a dryer.
Ere. Yan.
The same thing.
Oh,
honey.
$749.
Same thing.
Okay, but no lock.
It has a lock, honey. Look, lid lock. They all have locks.
$749. Why you buy another one like that?
That's the only thing there is.
Well, this is. You don't have a washing machine no lock, like that. The one in my house is
I'm trying
broken.
to tell her they're all.
Oh, ayan yung gusto kong bilhin. $849. Ito naman siya sa dati namin old style. Ayun yung nasira. Gusto ni Rick yan. Ayan, rear phone. Ayan, sana yung gusto ko. Delicates. Ayan yung mga washing dryer. Ito ay 1,049. This one is may nakabili na. 999. Look. Ito gusto ko siya. 900 for Samsung. Wow! Ang laki! Kaya sa mahal, malaki load niya. Look, you buy a wash. Meron tayong bahay. Ay, bubuksan. Oh, ang ganda ng lock. Pero, ang lock. Kalak. I want this lock. Lock and lock. May bahay kang bago. Ayan. Ang ganda naman ng rep. I wanna buy like this to my house. Anong gusto niyo rito? Red, white? Ang ganda naman ng mga appliances. Ngayon naman, pakita ko sa inyo mga appliances, okay? 1,699. Oh, yun ang tama sa amin, oh Lord. Ang ganda. Ito dapat sa amin. Pangarap ko yan. Makabili na ganyan. Lalo sa Pinas. Okay. Ayan, may grilling. Pastog na. Ito kami, nagde-decide pa kami kung ano ang dapat naming bilhin. Ay, too much money. Ayan na po yung nabili ko. Ayan na po yung napili ko. Ayan, hintay na lang namin na i-deliver sa bahay namin.